Hello and welcome to this YouTube video about the different types of data in research. When it comes to conducting research, it's important to understand the different types of data that you can collect and analyze. Whether you're conducting a scientific study, a survey, or any other type of research, the type of data you collect will have a big impact on the conclusions you can draw and the insights you can gain. In this video, we'll be exploring the three main types of data used in research: qualitative data, quantitative data, and mixed methods data. We'll define each type of data, explain how it's collected and analyzed, and explore the pros and cons of each type. We'll also be discussing real-world examples of how different types of data are used in research. Whether you're a student, a researcher, or just someone who's interested in learning more about the world of research, this video will provide you with a solid foundation for understanding the different types of data and how they're used in research. Quantitative data. Quantitative data is numerical data that is gathered through surveys, questionnaires, or experiments. It is used to measure the frequency, count, or magnitude of something. Examples of quantitative data include the number of people who live in a certain area, the numbers of products sold, or the temperature of a room. Qualitative data. Qualitative data is non-numerical data that is used to uncover the underlying factors or trends in a situation. It is gathered through interviews, focus groups, or observation. Examples of qualitative data include the reasons why people shop at a particular store, the experiences of people living in a certain city, or the opinions of people about a product. Classification of data. Nominal data are categorical data with no inherent order or ranking. It is used to categorize data into groups or classes. Examples of nominal data include gender, religion, eye color, etc. Examples of nominal data include colors of cars, for example, red, blue, green, etc. Gender, for example, male, female, other political affiliation, for example, Democrat, Republican, independent ethnicity, for example, Hispanic, African American, Asian. Types of fruit, for example, apples, oranges, bananas. Ordinal data are categorical data with a meaningful order or ranking. It is used to categorize data into groups or classes that have a specific order. Examples of ordinal data include education level, movie ratings, and job experience. Examples of ordinal data include Likert scales, for example, strongly agree, agree, neutral, disagree, strongly disagree. Job position, for example, entry level, mid-level, senior level. Income range, for example, less than $20,000, $20,000, $40,000, $40,000, $60,000, etc. Education level, for example, high school, bachelor's degree, master's degree, doctorate. Movie ratings, for example, 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars. Interval data are numerical data that have a consistent unit of measurement, but no true zero point. It is used to measure and compare data with a fixed and known interval. Examples of interval data include temperature in Celsius or Fahrenheit, time of day, and IQ scores. Examples of interval data include temperature in Celsius or Fahrenheit. 0 degrees does not represent the absence of temperature. Time of day, 12 p.m. does not represent the absence of time. Temperature in Celsius or Fahrenheit, for example, 25 degrees Celsius, 68 degrees Fahrenheit. IQ scores, for example, 100, 120, 140, etc. A score of 0 does not represent the absence of intelligence. Ratio data are numerical data that have a consistent unit of measurement and a true zero point. It is used to measure and compare data with a fixed and known interval, and the ratio between two measurements is meaningful. Examples of ratio data include height and weight, age, and income. Examples of ratio data include height and weight. A value of 0 indicates the absence of height or weight. Distance, a value of 0 indicates no distance between 2 points. We hope this video has provided you with a better understanding of the importance of data in research and the different types of data that can be collected and analyzed. Remember, qualitative data is great for understanding the why behind behaviors and attitudes, while quantitative data is excellent for analyzing large amounts of numerical data and identifying patterns and trends. Mixed methods data can provide a more comprehensive understanding of a research question by combining both qualitative and quantitative data. It's important to choose the right type of data for your research question, as this will impact the accuracy and reliability of your results. By understanding the strengths and weaknesses of each type of data, you can make an informed decision about which type of data to collect and analyze for your research. We hope you've found this video informative and useful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on research and data analysis. Thank you for watching.